Guys, welcome back again. This is Daniel here at Rhinehart Equipment here in Rome, Georgia. We're located off of 3556 Martha Berry Highway. I'm going to go over this awesome 2017 E42 with you here today. This machine, open station, outfitted with a hydraulic thumb, digital readout, keyless start. Plenty of hours left on this machine. This machine has only had 158 hours. Still has factory warranty, in fact. We'll go ahead and climb on it. Let you guys hear it. Arm is very smooth, guys. Plenty of life left in this machine. This machine has a 10-foot max dig depth. Go ahead and test out the thumb for you, so the camera can see that. There we go. Go ahead and swing it around here. All right, let's drive this thing around for you. Tracks are very smooth. This will be a fine machine for anybody's operation. Thanks again for watching, guys. Please stay tuned for updated videos on our used inventory. Make sure to visit our homepage at www.rhinehartequipment.com. And again, I'm Daniel here with Rhinehart. We'll see you next time.